The Saint Lucia Fire Service responded to a volume of calls this past weekend, with road traffic collisions to fisticuffs escalating to the use of weapons. The most serious incident occurred in Marisule, highlighting the potential dangers faced by all road users, including those still learning to navigate the roads. The Marisule collision reportedly involved a learner driver, another vehicle, and a pedestrian awaiting a bus.
On Saturday, 5th April 2025, the Saint Lucia Fire Service responded to a motor vehicular collision at 6:27 a.m. involving two vehicles and a pedestrian at Marisule, Grazile. On arrival at the scene, 5 persons were observed to be involved in the incident, including a pedestrian. On assessment, the pedestrian, an adult female, sustained a laceration to her head. She was treated and transferred into the ambulance. The driver of one vehicle had to be extricated. He was treated, then transferred into the ambulance. The passengers and driver of the other vehicle complained of pain about their bodies and were also treated and transferred into the ambulance. All individuals involved were transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
Sadly, this was not the only significant collision over the weekend. These incidents follow a recent strong appeal from bus lobby president Godfrey Ferdinand, who urged drivers to slow down and exercise greater responsibility. The fire service is now echoing that call.
On Sunday, 6 April 2025, the Saint Lucia Fire Service responded to a motor vehicular collision at 2:27 p.m. involving two vehicles at the Tiroche Junction in Micoud. On arrival at the scene, one vehicle was found at the center of the road engulfed by flames. The fire was extinguished and it was observed that 2 individuals, an adult male and female, were involved in the incident. On assessment, both individuals sustained injuries about their bodies. They were treated, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
And the use of violence to resolve differences also remains a sore point, with another citizen hospitalized in a cutlass attack.
On Monday, 7th April 2025, the Saint Lucia Fire Service responded to a physical assault at 1:19 a.m. on Brazil Street, Castries. On arrival at the scene, an adult male was found awaiting ambulance assistance. He reported that he was assaulted with a machete. An assessment revealed a laceration to the back of the head and trauma to the forehead. He was treated, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
Despite the continued disregard, officials reiterate their urgent appeal to all motorists to heed the traffic warnings, while imploring citizens to walk away from conflict given the strain on the emergency and medical services. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.